Hello student, this is Sangeeta Mansukhani, video number 118. In this video I will be explain amorphous or microcrystalline forms. Coke, coal, charcoal, lamp black, gas, carbon belongs to this category, and carbon black is obtained by burning hydrocarbons in a limited supply air, and charcoal and coke are obtained by heating wood, coal respectively at high temperature but in the absence of the air. See, carbon black is obtained by the limited supply of the air, then carbon black is obtained, but charcoal and coke obtained by heating wood or coal at a high temperature but in the absence of the air. See, physical properties of the microcrystalline form: property color, coal black, charcoal black, animal charcoal black, and lamp black color. All are formed by carbon, and carbon contained in coal 60 to 90%, in charcoal 68 to 85%, animal charcoal 8 to 10%, and lamp black 98 to 99%. Density of the charcoal 1.54 to 1.7, and hardness of the coal hard mass, charcoal soft, animal charcoal soft, and lamp black soft. Electrical conductivity: coal is bad conductor, charcoal is bad conductor, animal charcoal is bad conductor, and lamp black is bad conductor. So all are bad conductor. Then after uses of the carbon: lightweight composites of the high strength are obtained by embedding graphite fibers in a plastic materials, and these composites are used in products like example tennis, rockets, fishing rods, aircraft, and canyons. Then activated charcoal, because of its highly porous nature, is used to absorb poisonous gases, and it removes organic contaminators from the filters and control odor in air conditioning system. Carbon black is used as a black pigment in the black ink and as a filler in automobile tires. And coke is a good fuel and is a good reductant, so widely used in metallurgy. So these are uses of the carbon. First compound we have to discuss of the carbon monoxide. Carbon monoxide, it is only one oxygen atom is combined with the carbon, so CO, and in small quantities it is found in volcanic gases, chimneys, and exhaust gases. So structure of the carbon monoxide: these molecules has one sigma bond and two pi bonds in between the carbon and oxygen. So one sigma in between sway, and then upper side and downside pi bond. And in small quantity it is found in volcanic gases, chimneys, and exhaust gases. Then structure of the carbon monoxide: here one sigma bond and two pi bond in between the carbon and oxygen atom. So this is the structure, is this one, because of the presence of the lone pair of the electron on carbon and oxygen atom also. CO act as an electron donor because both have lone pair, so it is a electron donor. So that's reason we have to say Lewis base, and react with the certain metals at high temperature to give metal carbonyls. Okay, so carbon monoxide easily react with the any metal at high temperature and to give metal carbonyl, and that's formula is MCO(X). Then next one is carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide in our atmosphere only 0.03% and 0.05% by volume, and CO2 is present, and it comes to the atmosphere from animal breathing, decay of the vegetable matter, burning of the carbon and carbonaceous matter. Okay, and green plants by the process of the photosynthesis remove it from the atmosphere. So photosynthesis process, carbon dioxide used. See, CO2 12H2O in the presence of the chlorophyll and sunlight convert into the glucose. Okay, so it is from carbohydrates. Unlike carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide is non-poisonous. Okay, but if the concentration of the CO2 in atmosphere increases, okay, so the greenhouse effect increases. So which raises the temperature of the atmosphere, so causes global warming, consequence of the which might be very serious. Okay. Then see the structure of the carbon dioxide. See, one carbon attached one side oxygen negative and one side triple bond oxygen. If this oxygen 3 lone pair as a negative charge and another oxygen triple bond 1 lone pair positive charge. So resonating structure this one, when lone bond pair going to this side, so both of side double bond. Okay, so this is structure, and again this electron given, so positive charge, and this oxygen accept the electron, so negative charge on oxygen. So this is the resonating structure of the carbon dioxide. Next, uses of the carbon monoxide. Carbon monoxide used as a industrial fuels, as water gas, producer gas, and as a reducing agent in many metallurgical processes, in the purification of the nickel by Mond process. So this is the uses of the carbon monoxide. And uses of the carbon dioxide. It is used as a refrigerant for ice cream and frozen food, and then under the commercial name Dricol. Okay, Dricol. And gaseous CO2 is used to carbonate soft drinks. In hospital, it is used for surgical operation of the source. Carbogens. Carbogens, what is the carbogens? It is used for the artificial respiration. But carbogens, a mixture of the 95% of the O2 and 5% is the CO2. Okay, it is known as carbogen, and it is used for artificial respiration. And then carbon dioxide being heavier than air and non-supporter of the combustion. So it is used to extinguish fires. Then in substantial quantity, it is used for making the urea. Okay, so this is the uses of the carbon dioxide. Then next, silicon compound. First compound is silicon tetrachloride. Silicon tetrachloride chemical formula is SiCl4. It is prepared by the heating silicon and with chlorine. So it is formed silicon tetrachloride. Okay, so it is easily formed by silicon and then chlorine gas. Okay, but it is a volatile liquid and boiling point 330.57 Kelvin. Okay, but whenever hydrolysis of the silicon tetrachloride, so it is gives silicic acid SiOH4. Further heating, so it is formed silica gel SiO2.X H2O. Silica gel being very porous is used as a catalyst in petroleum industries and as an absorbent in column chromatography. And third uses is on reduction it gets converted into the silicon. So silicon obtained is ultra pure and it is used for making transistor, computer chips and solar cells. So this is the properties and uses of the silicon tetrachloride. Then silicon dioxide. Silica and silicates form about 95% of the earth crust and its chemical formula SiO2, and it is also known as silica. So silica and silicates forms about 95% of the earth crust and its chemical formula is SiO2 and it is known as silica, and exit in the form of the quartz, cristobalite, tridymite and crystalline forms, and that are interconvertible at suitable temperature. Okay, so two compounds of the silicon, first one silicon tetrachloride and second one is silicon dioxide. So structure of the SiO2C. One silicon attached by the another one oxygen. So between the silicon oxygen are present. So SiO2, one silicon attached by two oxygen. This silicon attached by two, this silicon attached, and between the silicon oxygen. So this is the structure of the three-dimensional network solid way structure of the silicon dioxide, and silicon atom is surrounded by the tetrahedrally 4 oxygen atom, and each oxygen atom is bonded covalently with the silicon. Okay.